Hello friends, welcome to Merit Hub. This is the third lecture of the engineering mechanics. Okay, question number 51. The movement of a force about any point, dash of a force and perpendicular distance between the point and line of action of force. A product, B division, C sum, D subtraction. Movement equal to force into perpendicular distance. Product. A is the right answer. Friends, question number 52. When a body is subjected to force, the body will be equilibrium if the two forces are A. Collinear unequal and opposite, B. Collinear equal and act in the same direction, C. Collinear equal and opposite, D. Non-collinear equal and opposite, C. Collinear equal and opposite. Friends, question number 53. The moment of a force about any point is equal to the algebraic sum of moments of its components about that point is stated by A. Avogadro's principle, B. Henry's principle, C. Lufkin's principle, D. Varignon's principle. This is the statement of Varignon's principle. Option D is the right answer. Next question, the rate of change of momentum is equal to the applied force and it takes place in the direction of the force. Is a statement of A. Pascal's equation, B. Continuity equation, C. Impulse moment of equation, D. Darcy's equation. C. Impulse moment of equation. Question number 55. The unit of length in SI unit is A meter, B centimeter, D kilometer, D mile millimeter. A meter. Friends, question number 57. Which of the following branches deals with the force and their effects acting upon the machine parts in motion? A. Kinematics, B. Energetics, C. Dynamics, D. Statics, C. Dynamics. फ्रेंड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 62. फ्रेंड्स मैं मैथ का क्वेश्चन जो है प्रॉब्लम है वो इसको स्किप कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि उसका मैं सेपरेट लेक्चर बनाऊंगी. ठीक है, जिसमें सिर्फ मैथमेटिक रहेगा. Okay, question number 62. Action and reaction acts on A. Different bodies but in same direction, B. Same bodies but in opposite direction, C. Same body and in same direction, D. Different bodies but in opposite direction, D. Different bodies but in opposite direction. Friends, question number 64. The algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a number of forces in a given direction is equal to the resolved part of their resultant in the same direction. This is known as A. Principle of resolution of force, B. All of the options, C. Principle of transmissibility of force, D. Principle of independence of force, D. Principle of independence of force. Sorry friends, the resolve part बोला है ना, this is the resolution. Option A is the right. Principle of the resolution of the force. Friends, question number 65. A body is in equilibrium when A. Vector sum of external force and moments is 0. B. The vector sum of external force is 0. C. No force or moment acts on the body. D. The body is accelerating. Option A. The vector sum of external force and moments is 0. The collinear force system, the force whose line of action lies on A meet at one point, B does not meet at one point, C on the same plane, D same line. D same line. Question number 68. The lines of action of concurrent force meet at A plane, B perpendicular planes, C 2 points, D a single points. D a single. Friends, question number 69. A Newton of force is equal to A 10 to the 7 dynes, B 10 to the 4 dynes, C 10 to the 5 dynes, D 10 to the 6 dynes, C 10 to the 5 dynes. Question number 72. In which system unit of the pressure is PSI? A. APS, B. MKS, C. CGS. D. SI. A. F. Friends, question number 79. What terms is used for the combined effect of all the forces on a body? A. Load. B. Stress. C. Strain. D. None of these above. A. Load. Question number 81. In if a force acting at a point on a rigid body is shifted to any other point which is on the line of action of the force, the external effect on the force on the body remains unchanged. A. Principle of transmissibility. B. Parallelogram law of forces. C. Lami's theorem. D. Varaknan's theorem. A. Principle of transmissibility. Question number 82. Choose the correct option regarding the effect of the force acting on the body. A. Introduce internal stress. B. Balance the other force acting on it. C. Retrace its motion. D. All options are correct. D. All options are correct. Next question. What is the correct option for a rigid body to be in equilibrium when the body is under the action of the three forces? A. The force acting on the body are equal. B. The line of action of these forces are parallel to each other. C. The line of action of these forces meet in a point. D. The line of action of these forces are parallel to each other and the line of action of these forces meet in a point both. Option D is the right. Question number 85. According to the Lami's theorem, if three coplanar forces acting at a point are in the equilibrium, the each force is proportional to the dash of the angle between of the other two. A. Cosine. B. Sine. C. Tangent. D. Sec. B. Sine. Friends, question number 86. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A. Force. B. Acceleration. C. Speed. D. Velocities. C. Speed. Force, acceleration, velocity, they are the vector quantities. Question number 87. 1 kg of force equal to A. 1.02 Newton. B. 8.9 Newton. C. 9.8 Newton. D. 12 Newton. C. 9.8 Newton. The force which meet at one point have their line of action in different planes are called A. Coplanar non-concurrent force. B. Non-coplanar concurrent force. C. Non-coplanar non-concurrent force. D. Intersecting force. B. Non-coplanar concurrent force. Different planes. Question number 100. The tendency of a body to resist the change from the rest or motion is known as inertia. B. Mass. C. Fraction. D. Resisting force. A. Inertia. मैथ का प्रॉब्लम के लिए कमेंट करना। थैंक यू। ऐसे ही हम लोग एवरी चैप्टर के 1000 MCQ कर रहे हैं, बाकी सब्जेक्ट के लिए प्लेलिस्ट में चेक करो। थैंक यू।